Kaixo denei. Gaur propositzen dizuetan saioa, da saio bat pixkat motxa. Bertan egingo ditugu 10 ariketa, errepikatuko ditugula 2 aldiz. Egingo ditugu 15 eta 20 errepikapen artean ariketa bakoitza. Eta saiatuko garena da gorputz guztia lantzen, denbora laburrean, baino intenso izaten. Hasiko gara beroketa batekin lehenengo, besoekin aurrera egiten. Besoak atzera. Tijeras. Eskuak aurrera eta gerria. Bi eskuak aldaketan eta borobilak. Beste aldera. Hartu arnasa besoak gora, eta tolestu bideak, sentadilla txikiak. Hartu arnasa, bota. Bixu atzera. Azkena, eskuak eta belauna gora. Bat, beste.
Are we too grown for games? Are we too grown to play around? Young enough to chase, but old enough to know better.
Are we too grown to change? Are we too grown to mess around?
Pareta dienduta edo pareta gabe, ireki belauna, ireki aldaka, alde bat.
For you, try to do what lovers do.
Eta alderantziz, itxi. Aldera. Beste aldea, lehenengo aldaka irekitzen, albora. Paretan helduta berriro, balanzeo pixka bat hanka, aurrera eta atzera. Heldu hankatzetik, pulsatu pixkat kuadrizeps. Eta beste hanka, balanzeo, aurrera eta atzera.
We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. What I thought would, babe. Let me close. 'Cause girls like you go around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun.
Zabaldu hankak, hartu arnasa besoa gurutzean, jaitsi txorkatila batera, eta gora. Beste aldera, gora. Gorputza pixkat erotzen. Hartu arnasa besoa gora. Eta azten gera, 10 ariketekin. Lehenengoa, hartu pesak eskuan, egingo duzu eskubiko hanka aurrean, ezker atzean, eta da, gerriarekin giratzen duzu alde batera, eta gero atzera luze. Giro eta luze atzera. Bide hankak, belauna lurrerunta eta gora. Amabos, ba.
Do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Eta manjar. Aldatu hanka, ezker aurrean eta berdinean. Torsión de cintura eta esti. Ba, amabost.
Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time, yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.
Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you be my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. For every other girl you meet is fugazi. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi, Cardi. Come and rev it up like a Harley, Harley. Why is the best food
Malau.
always forbidden? I'm coming to you now, don't
Eta
push the limit. The red light stop.
Besa bakoitza esku batean, tankada alde batera. Besoak borobilean, tankada bestaldera, eta borobilean. Dire hogei. Bat. Bi. Hiru. Sei. Leki ondo besoak. Eta hogei. Urrengoa besoak. Biceps gora, biceps atzera. Beste amabos, ba. Bat. Bi.
Somehow we've always been together, but never got together. I never felt the pressure till now. There's something in the air. I'm here and you're just there. I can't pretend that I don't care. One day I might get it right. Am I ready for tonight?
Amabos.
Caution, caution, never lies.
Besak, baldin baduz baloiatu, bestela baloi da. Apoiatu baduzu bizkarra paretean. Egingo dugu jetxi, eta egingo duzu baloia estutu. Eta duzu baloia, bakarrik ematen. Bizkarra zuza, jetxi ondo, ba amabos. Aprieto, bat. Aprieto, bi. Eta amabos. Kendu baloia. Eta hartu berriro pesa. Dator. Eskiador. Besoak gora. Jetxe eskiador atzera. Eta erdian balantzeo. Sentadilla txiki bat. Erdian beste aldera. Balantzeo. Bai? Hogei. Hasikoitik. Ba.
Yo quiero mi vida contigo. Don't know how, I don't know where, but we're becoming more than friends. Getting closer to the edge, stop me from falling. Should've seen the warning sign. Now I'm running out of time. Kinda wanna cross the line, stop me from falling.
No digas que no, que tú también lo quieres. Si por ti muero yo, tú por mí te mueres.
No digas que no, que tú también lo quieres.
Eta amabost. Hemendik, lantza lateraletara. Irekte alde batera, etxi, eta gero bestera. Nire hogei.
On the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor. Yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running shit tonight on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor.
Hemeretzi.
Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little.
Vale. Dela pesak eskutan da, TikTok eskubiarekin. Aurrera, pausua, eta ondoren atzera. Ba, amabost, Aurrera, bat. Aurrera, bi. Aurrera, hiru.
Your hands on the floor and keep on rocking, rock it up on the floor. If you're a criminal, kill it on the floor. Steal it quick on the floor, on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. It's getting ill, it's getting sick on the floor. We never quit, we never rest on the floor. If I ain't wrong, we probably die on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor.
Azkena amabost, aurrera,
Dance the night
amabost.
away, grab somebody,
Bezerarekin. Besoak nire alderantziz. Aurrera joaterakoan. Besoak gora, atzera joaterakoan besoak bera. Bai? Ba, amabost. Bat. Bi. Hi. Lau.
It's like a trunk full of bass on an old school Chevy. 7 tray Donkey Kong. All I need is some vodka, some Chunky Kong, and watch a chico get Donkey Kong. Baby, if you ready for things to get heavy, I get on the floor and act a fool if you let me. Lie. Don't believe me, just bet me. My name ain't Keith, but I see the way you sweat me. L.A., Miami, New York. Say no more, get on the floor.
Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor.
Amabost. Utzi.
Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a
Lehenengoa eskubi aurrean, torsion, eta lusatu atzera. Ba, amabost. Aldatu hanka, ezkerra aurrean, eta hasi, gerria, eta luze. Bai.
on the floor.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow.
Amabost.
Come over and start up a conversation.
Tokatzen zaigu, zankat alde batera, besoarekin batera. Da hogei.
And then we start to dance, and now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now. magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
Besoekin. Bíceps gora, bíceps atzera.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting a taxi, listen to backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your
Baloia belauden artean, bizkarra luze, atzera, ez bauzkoan oia, baloi gabe, bakarrikan mantendu, Aprieto, eta eskatu amabuz.
grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my
Eskiado. Mandatu hanka gogoratu, gora. Hanka bat atzera, eta hemen erdian balanzeo bat, Ba hogei.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be
Besoak kutxuneta baino irekiago, amabos flexio.
I'm in love with the shape of you.
Plancha lateralak. Usatu, ba hogei. TikTok eskubiarekin, gogoratu. Aurrera, eta atzera. Ba amabos.
Isn't your right forever to live? Travel the world for the seven oceans. There's nothing that I wouldn't give. Came from Bahrain, got to Beirut, looking for someone comparing to you. Tearing down windows and doors, and I could not find eyes like yours. Came from Bahrain, got to Beirut, looking for someone comparing to you. Tearing down windows and doors, and I could not find eyes like yours.
eskerra. Aurrera. Eta bera. Ba, 15.
Now it seems that I, without your eyes, could never be. My one desire, all I aspire, is in your eyes forever to live. Traveled all over the 7 oceans, there is nothing that I wouldn't do. Came from Bahrain, got to Beirut, looking for someone comparing to you. Tearing down windows and doors, and I could not find eyes like yours. Came from Bahrain, got to Beirut, looking for someone comparing to you. Tearing down windows and doors, and I could not find eyes like yours.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming of who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can see that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you will. And did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call, you never seem to be home.
Hau izan da gaurko saioa, espero gustatu izana.